Down below China, you have Vietnam, which is developing very rapidly. It is becoming, in my estimation, a much more level playing field, much quicker than China has become. It's more transparent, easier for Western companies to understand, but it also has its negatives as well. Infrastructure is not what it could be. Communications infrastructure still has a long way to go. Intellectual property is not as well protected as it could be, but it is significantly better than in China. To the west of that, you have Thailand, which is progressing very rapidly. Very good infrastructure, labor costs higher, but very good, predictable legal system. Government has had its trouble, but really that has not affected business to this point in time. So it can be a good platform for some industries, although if they're low labor costs, it's not as good of a location.
You might also want to contrast Russia and the Gulf. Both got lots of oil, both generating very significant foreign reserves, and if one looks at the way in which that agenda is playing out, hugely different. In the Middle East, you have much of that wealth concentrated in an effort to diversify wealth into often trophy assets in developed markets. In Russia, many of the businesses are looking for capital, notwithstanding that they've got huge foreign currency reserves that they've built up since the 97 crisis. That isn't being recycled into domestic investment, and they're still looking to many Western capital markets, perhaps less so New York, and this is very important for London, to raise capital internationally. So these markets, again, hugely different.